This coin just pumped 25% in the last 24 hours, making it today's top gainer on CoinMarketCap. We're talking about Pi coin, or PI, currently trading around 0.2589. That means a $100 investment before this rally would already be worth about $130 today. So what is Pi? It's the native cryptocurrency of the Pi network, a project created by Stanford graduates that lets users mine tokens directly from their mobile phones. The goal is to make crypto accessible to everyone without the need for expensive mining rigs. Earlier this year, Pi transitioned into its open mainnet phase, allowing token transfers and listings on select exchanges, which has drawn new attention to the project. Now, why did it go up? A few key reasons. First, Pi has seen a resurgence in trading volume as new investors look toward mobile-first crypto projects. There's also been growing social buzz about Pi finally becoming tradable on major platforms after years of anticipation. This combination of renewed hype and strong community engagement has triggered bullish sentiment and short-term momentum. In the past 6 to 12 months, Pi's story has been volatile. It hit highs of nearly $3 back in February before collapsing over 90% as traders took profits and liquidity issues kicked in. Since then, it's spent months consolidating between $0.20 and $0.30. Now, with growing volume and mentions across social media, traders are treating this move as a potential comeback. If you had invested $100 before this 30% surge, you'd be sitting on about $130 today. But if you bought during the February highs, that same $100 would now be worth less than $10. It's a reminder that volatility cuts both ways in crypto. Looking at the charts, Pi's immediate support sits around $0.20, with strong resistance at $0.30. A clean breakout above that range could send it towards 0.35 or even 0.40 in the short term, while losing 0.20 could drag it back down to 0.15. The current structure shows early signs of accumulation with higher lows forming, but momentum needs to stay strong for this trend to continue. In terms of risk, this is definitely a high-risk play. Pi has major potential, but its ecosystem is still developing and market confidence is heavily tied to speculation. Until there's consistent on-chain utility and broader exchange listings, investors should expect large swings both up and down. For the outlook over the next few weeks, Pi could either consolidate around the 0.25, 0.30 range or push towards 0.40 if bullish sentiment continues. Watch for volume spikes or new ecosystem announcements. They'll likely dictate the next move. That's all for now. Follow us to see where this goes and stay tuned for the next update in a few weeks to find out if Pi holds strong or loses its spark.